So we're bound. So yun, this is really the first time flight ha. I did not test this RC helicopter before this flight. So this is really the first flight. Really first flight. No rehearsal, no test before this. Alright, so this is the test. This is the real test. Okay, XKK 160. Let's see. Okay, of course, down and out. This is the first rate. Ooh. Ooh. Nice. So may nakapagsabi na this is the same design as the XKK 124, but the XKK 124 has no altitude hold, and it can perform some 3D flight, inverted flight. But this one is just plain flying. All right, second rate. Powerful motor, guys. Okay, so I'm not going to make some commentary na because I want to enjoy the flying, and of course for you guys also, I want you to enjoy the flight of this, right? So no more commentary. Uy, why? I think I have to trim. It needs trimming. Nagdi-drift siya eh. There's a drift. Second rate. Nice. There's a navigation light, headlight. Nice.